Every useful Adobe Premiere Pro keyboard shortcut. I'll be showing shortcuts for Mac OS, but if you're on Windows, just replace Command with Control and Option with Alt. The general shortcuts. These keep your workflow safe and fast so you're not losing progress or redoing work. Command In. This makes a new sequence. Command O. This opens a project file. Command I. This imports files for you to edit. Command S. This saves your project, and it's a good habit to do this every few minutes in case you crash. Command Q. This easily closes Premiere Pro. Command X. This deletes the clip you highlight. Command C/V. This copies and pastes your clips. Command Shift V. This allows you to paste a clip and push everything forward without you overwriting a clip. Command A. This selects all the clips in your timeline. Shift Command A. This deselects everything. L. This plays forward in the timeline. J. This plays backward in the timeline. You can press each letter multiple times to increase or decrease the speed. Pressing Shift with L or J slows the playback. S. This toggles snap on or off. K. This pauses playback. Shift plus right/left arrow. This allows you to skip 5 frames in the timeline. Up/down arrows. This quickly moves the playhead to cuts throughout the timeline. Minus/plus. This increases or decreases the zoom of the timeline. The tool shortcuts. Tool shortcuts easily switch between the tools so you don't have to keep clicking the icon. V. This enables the selection tool, which is used to move, trim, and select clips. A. This enables the track select forward tool, which selects every clip to the right of your cursor. Holding Shift allows you to select all the clips to the right in one track. Shift plus A. This enables the track select backward tool, which is the same idea but to the left. Holding Shift also applies to this. B. This enables the ripple edit tool, which is used to trim clips while leaving no dead space. You can also use this tool to shorten the dead space between clips. In. This enables the rolling edit tool, which is used to adjust the cut point without changing the total duration. R. This enables the rate stretch tool, which changes the clip speed to fit a specific duration. U. This enables the slide tool, which allows you to move a clip while automatically adjusting neighboring clips. Command T. This adds a new text layer. The editing shortcuts. These shortcuts help you edit faster. Command Z. This undoes your previous action. Command Shift Z. This redoes your previous action. Command K. This adds a cut at the playhead, making cutting very fast. Shift Command K. This adds a cut to all tracks. Command D. This automatically adds a cross dissolve to the selected video. Command R. This allows you to change the speed or duration of a video. Hold Command and select a clip. When you move the selected clip, everything will be moved after the clip. Hold Option and select a clip to duplicate it. Double-click a track to make it bigger. The panels and workspaces shortcuts. These shortcuts jump between panels like the timeline, effects, and project panel, so you spend less time searching for them. Shift 1. This directs you to the project and bin panels. Shift 5. This directs you to the effect controls panel. Shift 7. This directs you to the effects panel. The audio shortcuts. Audio shortcuts adjust volume, sync sound, and separate audio from video without opening menus or plugins. Command L. This links or unlinks your video from the audio. Shift Command D. This adds a gradual fade to the selected audio. Left/right bracket. This increases or decreases the audio volume.